tuna hian chief minister hian lunglei apan me ka zingda ruka kan chuaka aizol atangin dariat le minute som dariat le minute ruka thenzol kan thenga darkar ni le minute ruk kan tlana ni chu kong laka kan zunram kan thiara sumsui penga son kong laka zunram thiar lo tai la chu darkar ni a thenzol kan lu che velin ka ringani thenzol tourist lot sa tuk chuan a ya ti chuan ni chin dariat le achan ve pet de ta khan thenzol atangin lunglei apan le a tuna hian buang pui tuir hiau nei tu khwa te kha khata khan kan me kani lunglei a hian NCC hian Fest kut ti meng Fest ti le kut ti khathil thumun ani a NCC Fest en parasailing game an buat saya chumi mang tur chuan chief minister hi akala zanina hian lunglei ariak don ani NCC Fest tin nge anti vel ti chhevel video hian ron ti lan kan tumanga tin NCC hi tun ma zong khan silchar atangin Mizoram hi aron bial thina asam atangin ti zokong asam atangin Mizoram hi aron bial thina asama khwan group headquarter oma chuchon Mizoram hi ron bial ama se tun nai lok atang khan Mizoram group headquarter an nei ve to ani chawang chuan NCC group headquarter Mizoram ti ani to dona group headquarter omna tur atan hian tuirial airfield lui aton tirlam a airfield zol zuk thena aton tirlam khu sarkarin rohman sak dona an final to mai theya chutiang chuan ma an la a group headquarters alone to awangin NCC a group headquarters tu nei tu ba chu brigadier an ni thina tuna hian brigadier Aurora in Mizoram himin thotil to ni ten lunglei lama hian NCC 2nd battalion anin bun ve thunga chumi ta chuan NCC Fest po hi an boi pui meka NCC Mizoram malakna tuna hian apar thar meka ni zinwak lo te hen alo om thei khop mai man nia ka soi to ka chevel video hi chu hetia kan han jinwa na vel kan an tilang thin te kong kan an tilang thin te poi hi zin chuak tam lo kan nu le kan pa senior to zok te pual deu ani te katia comment lama khan thalai te pon kan thir in non tia in comment kha ka lo chial zela comment lama min han fui ve hi chanin apur omvele zol thina ni ka soi to thinang khan chevel video hi kan official na pialam mipui ram mipui data na thanem ngai na ram lalber chief minister chevel tamzo kan lo mu theina tura kan ti mai khania tin politic na in rolova politic nen keni hi chu ti kong mai in kanin enge official kan ya wagin politic nen hian kanin mercial lovani ti kha han sebok ta ila public relations zo kani ti min lo sia sakula sarkar le mi puite in ngen in sia chen le zual na tur malak na ni ti kha chuwang chuan kan wa vel na hi tam deu zokin kan pholang ani lunglei hi buldeu takatagin gan soyeng khopuya lo ni dan lunglei hi aizol ain kum khat velina upa ti hi thubul tan nan kan manganga British sarkar khan sang khajariat somthum pania kachar khu aron op tan ve ta boka Mizoram nen khan kan in nai ta sot maya Mizolal tela khan anjuk run kachar phai te phega chu an lo zuk run taima ve don ani ti kha angai tu thei mai boxia an soidan chon sihlet bialte tripura bialte chittagong bialte Manipur phairam chin te hi lusai lalten anron run fo maya kan mi te an thata an mana thing te an ron ruwa chu wang chuan sum don pui cha wang ni lovin an sahim nan Lunglei Hills ophi an ron titluta ani ber maya ka soi photo thinang khan sang ka zariat somsari choba bengkhuayan Alexandrapur an runa mingau sal an man meu khachuan an tuar hlei thei to lo ba expedition Mizoram paldarna anon neita marlama tangin expedition an lokala chimlama tangin expedition an lokala kita barmalama tangin an local boka barmalama tanga expedition le chimlam expedition hi mani an in sui finzui ta ni in kasia ka soidu lai tak ka thleng don sangkha zariat somriat le pakua a Chittagong lamatanga local Lusai expedition team sipai officer pathum le sipai zani somnga te hian sangkhat zariat somriat le pakua hian lunglei khati lai chon lungle antia sang zariat somriat le pakua lungle anom thlenga kul ansa kan timayenge chu an kul sak chu fort lungle antia chu lunglei a khobul chan na lunglei in chan na anga ngai thei alo ni ta ani te chuan marlama kal ve thung te khan chumi dot chia kuma sangkhat zariat som ko kuma aizola kul fort aizal an sa ve thunga lunglei hik aizol ain kum khatina upa kati chan kha lungleia fort lungle an saktan ni hi march nili ni anga ya chuwang chuan march nili hi lungleia chuan lunglei ni an mang thina aizola chuan february ni som pali ni ve thung in gasia chuwang chuan aizol hi february ni som pali vela aizol dei kha an mang ni mai khan kasia ani lungleia hian putarmita ze Shakespeare kha athuzui ngala khati lai khan North Lusai Hills le South Lusai Hills channel ni lo wangin lungleia tang hian Mizoram pum hi abial masazok ani mai thei chuan North Lusai Hills le South Lusai Hills an siam nu khan lunglei la mi South Lusai Hills kha alo ni ta ani tin ze Shakespeare kha mi zo te chuan tarmita kan ti maya tarmita khothir ti te po lunglei son alama civil hospital bula son lungpui to lot amin ka sia atin abangla putarmita khan abangla kha ka sia so lo chuan sang khat le zakwa patni asatan nin ka sia tuna hian DC in bangla alu alai hi ani ome kan sevek thawanga pubuang ate sam upa te khan saira anon thlenga anmani tir tu arthington te khan an kokir le ti kan sia an kokira arunasa an tir le ta anom na ngaya kumthum vel bak oman rem ti lo wang khan an kira arunasa la an tir ni ma se pubuang ate hi missions dang noya ron chuang le in kha chu ke aya sejok de vectorin ni awangin sangkhat zakwa pathuma Mizoram chimlam lunglei anon pan non le a sangkhat zakwa pathum march ni som pathum khan pubuang le sa upa te hian lunglei an thlenga an pui te non foi ve nge a chuti lai chon Mizoram chimlam biala yan Christian za somni le panga an lo om to a an zinga som pathumin baptisma an lo chang to a puzo sap luete puzo sap thara terong bol nakal zela Christian te anni ome chung ho chu chung mi te ne na bul chan chuan lunglei lama yan baptist kosan in bulan chan ti te a kan siat nu vekani kan ringa kan han soivele sim ani chu hei haulong kan pela leitlang khothir Leitlangpui chu alo lang ani don so sora le lama so chuan chuan leitlang khawthlir ti alo ni pha a leitlang khawthlir atangin lunglei kan thira tuna hian dar som le minute kwa ania a hla to lova kan program hi dar som pahnih atan turania circuit house a kan lo masak photte kan ring ani hei anuam khop mai helai hi kan ma khon mau sen khulai lo ka khon mau sen tun ma chon ar bai kon an lo ti thin ti te voinia kan thele tlai khonu ni chu hei mau sen kan thlenga da som le chan ve chi chi ania lunglei program hi dar som pani ania wangin tlemin kan thleng ma dona chuan chuan chief minister hian mau sena changel song bol na mun I tlawh koi so kang umiang atia kan tlawh koi tura kan ngai da mase omna mun kan selova alo boy pui tu official te han biak mai ngai na ka se bok lawa ke phaichon kan tlawh ve thut don ti na ni maro chu an lo om lo mai thei boka eng ma sian lawa ei thui de wan lo siam don am bok kan ti dewa kong khilai mau sen dai lo ka tang khian a khu khop mai metal an lo hiat khoka atharin lungan pha le ni ten kan ria ei khol te pon lo chape lunglei kong thazok tlai hi avani mai mele an zo chop don pon izok mai thei CM hi chukang o Kong CM hawa min
Helahi in sina tu ka palai hai
chang el sa so bola Mausen bal la song bol na changel song bol na hi eng department malak na nge ti kha kan ngai to chok mai thei to si lawa a om ti kha kan hriat sia wangin a building lo satu na thokte kan han zo ta horticulture malak na ni thu min lo sila horticulture kan ho tu te phone in kan bethua ya a chan chin tlang pui min lo sila he bal la song bol na hi bal la atanga sui te lei tha te le thil dang dang a by product atanga enge mo siam the chi piang siam na tur kha alo nia han holding atanga tho ania noisa somnga roman alo ni a building hi an same ka kan muang hian ti chuan a call tur te po an cha mek thu department how to te hian min lo sila tin bazar nu ho bula kan chuk thak le no in mau sena balla ching in tamem ni society in nei thaim ni ti ka zota nei tha e balla ching kan tama society tha tak kan nei an lo ti ya horticulture how to te khan amun ma te kan saka kan din fel nuwa society ko ta da turani ti te khamin sila wangin chuk te chukan zot liam luama helaya hian balla lam song bolna thade umai sarkarin lo wa man reng alo nia a munom khop mai kain present doon namin. Kain present din namin. Aba kahan. Han pewe.
Làm mẹ ô. Anh làm được cái.
Bal na chingin tama mi.
Karu lên dòng.
Oh ka.
Hito. Ramo. Enti ini perrahi. Mau sen nu wi va fel ya. Oh. Ipedona mi. Yes. Pero tu na kan. Ka coconut company na mi. Oh ka po vai mi. Kan ding thut ve bawk tin me ke wani. Koi
Rong lom nok o.
Vai ho kit.
ngaro la koi don ne.
Vai ho kan.
Oh. Company ho kha han soi jo se nu ho khan ti be don ne. Hey helaya Christiam company ho in engem sa til chaman lo present ve ngala anan ko ma. No sen nu ho in. Thalak puyan dua. Kuile max face for the lady.
Okay. Okay.
Mami ko.
Leitlangpui Bazaar Mausen constructed by Northeast Rural Livelihood Project World and funded district project Lunglei Ministry of Donor Changa oh hun kan lan he wangin chief minister hian i tlawh kual zawk ang miang te kan an tlawh kual zawk ani kha Mausen Bazaar nu howin chief minister thalak puan lo thalel khop maya ram soi tu lu te an lo ngai na dera alom oma tin helaya Christiam company hei kan sira hen in chhop na samai hemi te po hian ai lu khop maya rem chang chang thil pe khan lo pe hei kan phut tek mai Lunglei Circuit House kan thlenga Lunglei khapui chhum khoi lo du veng Lunglei khap ka thiam te mo mo than da me ro ti kha okay Lunglei khapui chhum kha ka record am ka te ka lo record thei ngila an lo mua ka State University min pe ka wangin lom thu country lo che an lo tia he ta hen Lunglei DC so athua Lunglei DC hi National Award Project Leap tia tengin emani la tin helaya kan emele te pathum so an lo ama background eng de uleka min lo su thia manga helaya an lo mo khatha kala mo ka te ka lo record reng lo sorry lu tu chuan Circuit House hian kan han thu chaw langa kan program khada som patni ti ania tuna hian dar som pakhale minister le pariat ani hun claim kan la ne chuti chung chuan thingpui kan indol ani MAP ground kan kal phat don nen ka sia chumidota trom loya muala ti khania eng tin chienge NCC Fest le para sailing game hi don thir don ani second battalion Mizoram Police Headquarter kan luta helaya hian program kan mang photanga chumizo thom loya muala kan kalle dona
Jain sir. Welcome sir and thank you.
Jai Jawan!
Thank you sir. Thank you for coming sir. Francis.
Someone God! General salute! Slami! Sus! Someone God! Waju! Sus! Someone got power. One SI, 24 other rank. One main party. आपका नेशनल के लिए हाजिर श्रीमान Samangat Bagal Sas Samangat Visa Zat
Hey, parasailing ka anan ti cinta a furtu gypsy jockey ai atlan thei tlat lo nia chaklam nal lo lama deuh khianin an chuang khat vek na in anal an tinon se azia dewang hei ama aru deula hen non tlan se o a phiat tur venan an chuan ve teuh khangai lo mi hring a gypsy a zon a phiat tur kha veng zo kha khan so ta son anan pu cha le me ka hei helai hen feel hi alo diak nala phul hi anal du khop me motor tan chuan chu problem pakhat ani gypsy hen mi hring a phia lo na nan tian chuang khat thap na in a phiat na samaya at potlok lei thei lawa tuna avoi ni na ti done so wenang o apar hak mai so chu enge anang thloka ai chu sang ta deu ta ai gypsy chu phiat thawa a thlok zo khi thla lang o này sang về liên tục tiffin box anh xem tiêu rồi nè Trom loya mual kan thleng thlan na ya Lunglei khopui in bo seina chief minister dong tura anin bo seina a thale mai kong clear tha peng thuam zong zonga traffic police pakhat mai ni lo pani pathum an lo dinga
Those who are staying back,
state changa cadets local te ani hi
Here he arrives. Ladies and gentlemen, with immense pride and honor, I welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Mizoram to this maiden NCC mega event, a first of its kind in the state.
Sonia
Welcoming him are our girls in traditional attire from across the northeast, a living picture of unity, culture and identity. He is being escorted by our NCC cadet, young leaders in uniform, symbol of discipline, courage and the further future of the nation. This is not just a welcome, this is a Mizoram opening its heart. Ladies and gentlemen, a mark of highest respect, the Honorable Chief Minister will now be accorded a ceremonial guard of honor by the proud cadet of 2 Mizo Battalion NCC, Lunglei.
main lo tartua maya la hian state dang atanga local te po hi an state zawa te ka thian te amna lama thapui te amna lama tlan nong asan thuna amai lo mo
Omeng tai.
This is discipline, this is pride, this is NCC.
Chief Minister histol to turin antia kan sui donani.
Thank you so much. And now the stage is set, the energy is high, the celebration continues. I proudly hand over the stage to Ms. Shilom to carry forward this mega event. Thank you so much.
Ti kan record te ang story.
So we've got all informative stalls so that even the Army Recruitment Organization from Aizawl has come in here. The alumni have come in here, sir. They're getting, the banks have come in here, drones have come in here. BSF is organized a weapon display. So everything is being here. Ex-serviceman has established a hospital kind of thing. So this is the, he's Lalan Sangha.
In drone mo
กันตีพารังตัวโดนที่ตัวนั้นก็ขากันสวยแม็กถ้ามีที่เกี่ยวเขาไปปลีกันในตัวปริยัติดังกันเลยเวลโดนนั้นของกันจะเป็นจัดบอกมีแต่เขาไปที่เอโรโมเดลลิ่งอันนี้รีโมทคอนโทรลให้นี่กูมาคอมพิวเตอร์มากันเสียมันเลยบอกที่อันนี้จะที่ว่าที่นั่น NCC ตรังอินหน่วยส่งมากันตรงนั้นเทรนนิ่งอาหับนั่นตัวท็อป 3D printer กันเก็บพวกกันที่มานิ่งกันเสียพวกกันไลเซนส์เปกที่ตัวนี้กันเสีย
Ramona? So this is the registration place where they are registering all the NCC alumni. What has happened, sir, when we moved in here, lot many people who've done NCC also had not got themselves registered. So like the first NCC alumni of NCC is the Prime Minister, sir. So here we've made because there's an awareness campaign, sir, and the Honorable CM is here. So we've got everybody of South Mizoram here. Even the Honorable Health Minister is here. So everybody's moved in. So we are taking this opportunity of getting everybody registered.
Okay.
Come.
Jain.
Sir, he is from the army recruitment rally, sir.
Right.
So they are spreading the awareness here about how to get into the armed
Very
forces.
good. Very good.
आपने कुछ कहना है सर?
अभी हमने यहाँ पर 7 साल के आउटरीच किया साहब, तो रजिस्ट्रेशन हमारा बढ़ा है, पिछले से ज़्यादा बढ़ा है, तो दुगना हो गया साहब। और हम सभी डीसी ऑफिस में भी मिले हैं यहाँ पर साहब, तो हमें काफ़ी हेल्प मिली है और आइजोल में भी काफ़ी हेल्प मिलती है साहब, तो आज अच्छा चला साहब।
When is the next recruitment going?
साहब अभी जून में टेस्ट है साहब और सितंबर में भर्ती है साहब, फिजिकल टेस्ट।
Okay.
फिजिकल टेस्ट
Now
और अभी हमने रजिस्ट्रेशन करा।
Okay. So, Jain.
Sir, they are from the ECHS, sir, the ex-serviceman hospital which is established here, sir.
I see.
You just honored Colonel Arun.
Ko yang hospital sin dia. Chỉ phải mang sao mà. Cái nên tiền phal về là thì na.
Sir, just because she's putting up this, she took the advantage. Yesterday she came, she went on parasailing, sir.
Yes.
Without being a NCC cadet.
Okay. Good.
This is the state
Sure.
disaster management, sir.
All right.
We had requested this DC and she is being kind enough, sir. They've been doing a great job, sir, and they also come in every camp of us, sir. They take lecture for our cadets. So now, by now, ma'am, 300 cadets have been trained in disaster management, and they have also put the zip line, sir. And we're going to give this for all NCC cadets, a free ride.
So all these equipments are available only in Lunglei or
They
in
have
some
in
other
Lunglei, sir,
places?
the DC, sir.
It is part of the DOC.
I see.
So they're in all the districts.
Who is keeping this
DC office.
DC office?
In our emergency cell.
He?
This is the district legal service authority. So we wanted to have this here because we've got a whole lot of ex-servicemen and grandparents who've come from the MUP organization, sir. So we got them here. Any assistance, because they don't get time to get together, sir. So they've all been here. Now they, whatever doubts they have, whatever assistance they require, these people are here, sir. So they will.
Anon pantrin chawem pantrin mo.
WCD na yung program. Oh, kan collaborate program.
Okay.
So this is for the alumni. This is a facility provided to them. They will earn all the money, and they promised me a treat in KFC, ma'am, which is owned by the Honorable Health Minister, I believe. In any case, I should be called there for a party, but they want to take me out of the profit that they want to make. So are you going to offer the Honorable CM something?
Yeah, do you want?
I think that curd will be easier. The curd will be easier to drink. Ma'am, so these are the t-shirts that have been made for the alumni.
Nice one. Yeah.
Mizoram map, cap.
Yeah.
What is this? Rice? Rice wine.
Rice beer.
Rice beer. Acha, okay. So you don't.
Thank you. Yeah, come on.
So, would you like to try?
No. Hey, hinang mani siam. In siam tak saim.
अच्छा लो तो है
Mun nam takan siam ya tak lo chin tu kamo. Sonya. Dian inver ko ni mo.
Kapu tak chak. So they are from the State Bank of India, sir.
Okay.
The SBI has signed a MOU, sir, with the NCC. This happened in
Very good.
2023, sir. So all the accounts of the cadets, they get directly money into their accounts, sir, when they get enrolled to procure their equipment, sir, the dresses and other items. So now officially it is the SBI. So any remote area, sir, has SBI. So that is how even we have improved our accounts of cadets with the help of SBI. So they are the new Assam Rifle which moved in, sir.
Okay.
A lot of assistance they provided for this event, sir.
So yeah, from 23rd.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You move.
You're coming from Lekhabani, Assam.
I see. Your band is wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
The full for this is the
Oh,
first
this is
time
very
I
nice
see
band, sir.
the whole formation.
Hanji, sir.
Yeah.
And they are very positive units, sir.
Yeah.
They have just landed 10 days back, sir. And the way they have supported and provided assistance to us, sir, to NCC ma'am, it's really commendable. Very fine commanding officer they have, ma'am. And very handsome commanders. So now you are the guardian of this part of. So please tell how you're going to help strengthen the honorable
system that is required from our side will always be open to assist you in anything at all. And today specifically we will be telling the students about the history of Assam Rifles and the various career opportunities that exist within the Assam Rifles.
What about drugs coming nowadays?
We'll be taking care of that.
Taken care of.
the honorable CM is an ex-IPS officer also. So that's why this question has come.
Definitely. We're on to it, sir. We'll take care of it.
Okay. All right.
Sir, I'm Colonel Prashant, sir. I have created a drone lab, sir, at Lunglei, sir.
I see.
So we are manufacturing all kind of drones here and also giving training. I've started giving training to schools also, sir. So we are teaching the FPV, which is first in Mizoram, sir, which we are conducting it.
We have seen this kind of drone over there. No? Are you coordinating from each other?
Yes, so we are taking some parts from him, sir.
I see.
Manufacturing some parts. Some parts is manufacturing from the. We have got 50 lakhs.
I see.
DG is coming on next week, sir. So 50 lakhs has been given to Sangha, and we have already prepared case. ISO ma'am is just on the right way. So we are putting up the case. We discussed with her. So 10 lakhs case is going to her.
I see.
So we have prepared as per
the parts are manufactured where?
So this is India manufactured in
India.
Lunglei, sir.
So you have to collect those parts and assemble here.
Yes,
Or-
we are doing everything, sir.
I
R&D,
see.
research, everything we have been conducting here. All these drones parts, everything is being manufactured here, sir. So I came
Manufactured in Lunglei.
Lunglei.
He especially does it.
Some parts he gets from the only the motors and all, parts, but everything is indigenized, sir.
And
Nothing
sir,
is from
in
outside.
every camp, he and his troops, they come and educate our children.
What about these agriculture drones? Do you have
Everything,
this?
sir, we
You
can
have.
manufacture it. It's just the funds we require, and then we can do it.
Okay.
So these drones, like as per our capability, we were manufacturing, and also we are showing it to the schools, sir. Slowly.
What we need now is agriculture drones that can spray from above.
Yes,
no?
yes.
Yeah.
We have made that, sir, for 30 kg drone. We have already made it for 14 Assam rifles.
Yeah.
Also, sir. Just wanted to say uniform, sir. Seeing him, you must be remembering your times. How everything he's got.
Yeah.
He's very
I'm
I'm
an
an
aviator,
aviator, sir. So I've been flying. We are getting a few, but not to extent. So these are also
also the
specialized
same
drones,
thing.
sir. These are the vertical dropper drones, sir. And these are horizontal. These can drop bombs, sir. And these are the frames which has been manufactured in our drone labs. So on this we put the propellers and then we giving training also, sir, for the schools. Best part is, sir, they have the heavy duty 3D printers. So everything gets made here only.
Okay.
Other than the technical things.
So, What this gun has to do with your drone?
So this
Is there any
bombs-
connection?
Yes,
Yeah.
these bombs can be dropped with this. So we just put the fuse on. So
Yeah.
it is the same bomb which has been used here.
Asa.
But we can utilize it in dropping also.
Can the drone carry the gun or only the
we
bullet?
have a bigger drone, sir. That in our lab, sir.
I said that will carry it.
We can carry it, sir, and it can fire this also.
I see.
So fortunately, sir, we are doing it in first time in Mizoram.
I
only.
see.
So we started with this. And this is the Heloc, sir, which is been used in Kamikaze. If you have Russia-Ukraine war, so this is the drone which we have manufactured here.
Oh.
So I just want to do it for the school of Mizoram also, sir. So that this skill, because they are still, I have checked with the school, sir.
Yeah.
They are not aware about how to go about it. We can always guide them and more.
I'm
and
sure
more.
they'll be interested.
Yeah, yes, sir. A lot of school, South Flowers, Loreto, their schools are approaching us to conduct the classes there, sir.
Hei me sak hen lung lunglei a chuan kan hen lung nei that sim nam nang ma bial lama tam ma se lunglei chu ta ka han lu kan nga lu tuk lawa an ni hi anei tam ber le anei thaber
In Salthayem?
na shal tuk law
Na hal tuklo. Voin sa vamin inti. Niminenti time. Voin sa mo. En chef op sa dona.
ta chakma lampang atangin an mani handicraft le hen lung
Ani taksi.
itang pachi ren tiang
Yes, I'm chopping 1981.
Oh, wow.
Is it the original or I think
it's not original
original?
anilaw
Anilaw mo, siyam chop mo.
siam chop.
Eh,
original jo silver in om thin like these are silver in
Ani mo.
original hey original ni boka
Eh,
yes
But there's a
kaka
very
ente kum nge which year?
1942 to 41.
Which year?
Different years, no?
yeah different years used to be there but some
It's,
like King
Some of them are not visible.
Emperor and all
Some of them are no longer visible. Huh? Yeah.
pure silver it seems
Oh, yeah, this is pure silver?
yeah British time
Okay.
actually we have many but then like
1941, this one.
like we didn't have that much preparation that's the reason like we could not bring most of it
Very nice.
How many more you have?
How many more?
There but this kind of are expensive like
Yeah.
25 to 30k something
This 20 to 30,000?
yes happy to meet you
Okay.
Take a photograph. Come. Take a photograph with the honorable
Okay.
CM. Yeah. Come. Aap aa jao. Flora, you come. Are you come? You organize all this.
Okay, thank you.
thank you hey he Tenzo
Tenzol.
From Tenzol.
hey
It's from my constituency.
I know, sir. That's why I told her. I said I want from
Yeah,
Tenzol.
mo even hang to so in Salthayem.
Law
So the stall will be open till tomorrow, no?
Till tomorrow. Sir.
Okay.
We have it for 2 days, sir, because these cadets have come from all different states, sir. So they'll get a chance to see all this.
People will start having awareness from
Correct,
today
sir.
only, no?
Correct, sir. Correct,
Yeah.
sir. And we've done a
Next
lot
time.
of this thing promotions.
Yeah.
chuan hei hi ni o tlang lampang
Khai ni o thang ho mo.
strawberry tuna han an tum dan chuan moram po na tanga ron lak lut lovin an ma ni hianin kilama tanga mizoram pum pui supply turang khan an tia tuna amendment kala hianin aju sin han ti don china heta hianin tuna hian an ma ni consultancy bakhat kan zon sakamo hemi perfection turang chi khan to me yang alcohol content om si lawa strawberry juice turang khan
Mel som po khan an ching vetero. In combine tero. Mel som khan in ching ba sa jok tero. Oh. Chuan tu na hian amar ka ta ngain har san na ber.
Amar ka ta hian mo silong lammi hi ai zo le lunglei a hian ron lut na sa ke ni kan thar chuai hi lunglei le sai ha
Ani mo. Oh.
kan chen na sal to
Ani tak su da na ngai ni chu. Oh. Le kha san jak ro o. Le kha san jak ro kan de na o in har san na chu. Jan azu sin sal thayem.
a chui si su shala kal ve ne ra ai chuan
Oh.
nge enamani engtinge hei
khoi a po se ni ho je mail so man ni re
จนล่างหุยเขาค่ะอีเชตบังอาอันนี้ก็มิเรียมค่ะอันนี้ Serkawn flagship อ่ะพวกเขานั่งเต้นนี่ก็จะเห็น holding program อ่ะพวกเขาจินดาเกนดินกันเสียมาเอาเฟรชโซทิงเอาเฟรชโซทิงเกนดินไงจินเจอร์เกนดิอ๋อคิดส่วนสิ่งนี้ก็เป็นสิ่งที่เบาดักกันเสียมเลยอ่ะอันนี้จินแต่ส่วนนี้also thei hai tang
inventi chabe ka
This is mango man.
Chuan in hi ban lai phai no ban lai phai ho SNS ho kha ni ta VDV ke nan di tha se to bang mi la kher an thur ken di lang chi ho mo an ni chu se to bang ro VDV ke ma se ami mal ang khan an kal tho ta pon mi ka changa mi mala na sa ber kun ni tu kan ni hi khom ma kha ho kha angai de be di be ang ho kha
perfume nang mani siam nang ma siam bek mo pui tui ne mi dang te train ve la mo ki shal them ni mo
kita mizo antique shop ya ni kala ai chui mu to tho bang sa ta chap chap ko ke la ka tak tak ho ba kha a ba ki cham ko na yang ho kan ni be thu no kan se to seki hi
these are the original occupants. Most of them do not have sufficient customers as of now. No?
Sir, but now sir, in this, because those are 500 cadets itself who are going to finish it off. There's a very nice name, sir, if I may say, Heaven Sweet.
Oh, hello, so information gun back to strawberry so that man do come to a source la win hello mi kind source don ya ikanin so like that to us by house so I'll leave it to you. Okay, so
okay, I'll just take.
Yeah.
So the BSF has made a weapon display, sir. May I request, sir? It is, sir. $92 BSF, sir. And come.
So from this side, okay. Tell me what is this?
Sir, ये हमारा SMG submachine gun. MX4 Beretta Storm made in Italy, sir.
कब आया? कब इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ? 2012 में।
कार्बन मशीन का रिप्लेसमेंट हुआ।
अच्छा, कार्बन का रिप्लेसमेंट ये हुआ।
How many rounds it has?
कितने राउंड आते हैं मैगजीन में?
30 rounds.
30. Very good. और क्या कैलिबर है?
9 mm.
Wow.
Rate of fire 60 rounds per minute.
This is amazing, sir. क्या वेट क्या इसका? अरे बड़ा हल्का है. Sir, this is very nice.
Which made is this?
This is Italian made, sir.
Italian, yeah.
And this is very lightweight, sir.
Okay.
Very nice. ये कार्बन का रिप्लेसमेंट है. Very nice.
This new one, huh? New model.
2011-12. Sir, carbine has been obsolete now.
Yeah. This one is
Israel X95 से assault.
इसमें 2 बैरल
assault rifle, no?
2 बैरल लगते हैं. कहाँ?
IWI से Israel European industry.
ये चेंज हो जाता है, exchange हो जाता है.
Oh, what he's saying, sir, that it takes 2 barrels, sir. It takes 2 magazines. 9 mm and also 5.56. 56.
इसीलिए इसका नाम X का exchange 95.
Oh, wow. ये इजराइल से आया.
हाँ, इजराइल.
But chamber is only one.
ये इसमें लगता तो एक ही है ना?
हाँ, एक ही लगता है.
नहीं, ये तो मैगजीन हो गया जो
एक ही chamber है ना?
चैम्बर जो है
Chamber
एक ही है.
हाँ, एक ही.
मैगजीन फर्क है, chamber एक ही है ना?
एक ही.
तो कैलिबर चेंज कैसे करते हो फिर अगर दूसरा?
बैरल चेंज होता है.
अच्छा, बैरल चेंज होता है.
बैरल चेंज होगा, मैगजीन चेंज होगा.
नहीं, मैगजीन. हाँ, मैगजीन.
मैगजीन भी चेंज होगा ना, ये एमिनिशन दूसरा आ जाएगा.
9 mm वाला लग जाएगा.
जो चैम्बर है, हाँ, गैस की कराई वो सेम है.
ये कौन सा 7.9
mm पिस्टल
ये कौन सा
ये वही अपना वाला है
ये
स्टैंडर्ड
ब्राउनी
ब्राउनी
This one is mortar.
So the local youth and others, they'll get a very good insight about these things.
Mortar, na? And then this one is
This is the 81 mm
81 mm. How many mm is 50?
This is 81
Okay, 81.
which used to be transported on mules before sir.
I see. How far is the range?
इसका रेंज कैसा बिल्डर है?
5 kilometers
5 kilometers.
this is at the last level sir battalion assault when the company is assaulting a last 3 kilometers of assault they need covering fire this is that LMG sir 7.62
MG in this one.
medium machine gun the spare barrel the rate of fire is 100 per minute बताते रहिए मैं तुम साथ बताते रहिए
पूरा नाम है 7.62 कार राइफल to achieve assault rifle but folder sir is easy to carry easy to handling easy to hiding इसको छुपाने के लिए भी आसान है सर
कौन सा कैलिबर क्या है 9 mm या
7.62
7.62 ओके
और इसको फोल्ड
करके दिखाओ एक बार
अच्छा
ये तो इसमें कैरी भी कर सकते हैं
अच्छा
छोटा राइफल
The paratroopers also when they came sir this was modified for paratrooping so that they can fold the butt and jump
600 round per minute.
per minute
Okay.
yes rate of fire
That's so speedy.
must be changing so many magazines in that minute
Okay, LMG.
this
Sir,
is much
INSAS
lighter.
came in as a replacement to SLRs. So thereafter, once they made this, thereafter it was successful, and then they made a LMG out of it.
Where does it
ये
manufacture?
अवधी में बनता है ना पुणे में कहाँ इच्छापुर
Kaha, Indian Ordnance?
हाँ वो भी
Ichhapur yes sir Ichhapur
Ordnance
Ordnance
Factory
Factory
That is Indian Ordnance Factory.
yes sir
Yeah,
Ichhapur is the place
yeah. 30 round capacity, na?
AK-203 sir would have they have also been manufactured in India AK-203 AK series
And this one is
this is standard INSAS right
okay. Right. So, Ian, it seems that you are not very much interested in this kind
She
of.
knows she's protected, sir. She doesn't have to worry too much.
tikhan an stall sang an tlawh zawa chhun thingpui te kan in tawh tura kan ngai tuna hian dar ni le minute nga alo ni to a hemazo hian health ATM te alo tawh le don ani hey chak malam kan thian ten than lak pui du a non uma lak pui le lok ro se oh hey adang po kha an lo la kal bel le lok kha in thian te Đấy, mình đang lạc quay đồ ăn là ông. Welcome. Hami tahu yan lah. Tiru, lak puru.
lak puru come take again
chakma group lamin thlakpui thlakpui du lom nuala
밀어.
so ex service holam malonin lar velea oh this is a
Fast.
sipai NCC lamten auto lamten anhan tile a oh alla tile sham do ni mo
Hilam. Ujerom din tua su tu ma hilang tu.
chun cho kan CM te health minister te lieutenant colonel criminal NCC Fest tu hai pupa pui te hawin bawka ke ni chu chaka hian kan aya kan ei wa tuna hian Lunglei Hospital kan tlan chho don ani china han ka sei zok ta chief minister mikhwal turin Lunglei khopui a in buat sai thle mai engkim mai hi a thathap adik de thap maya DC le tho pui te an thatok ti chianga alom om tak zet ani
Now I will request Dr. Maui, NCC Hospital Lunglei, to give a brief report on the functioning of the health.
Mama exactly footfall di chin tekan say te oni tin
ATM ti hian lampum
What is the full form of ATM?
Automated machine.
Okay.
That money Indian, so the same full form as the money Indian.
There seems to be no money inside, eh?
Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Health Minister, every reporter of Pegona, this year inauguration date is on 2025. So I do not look for number of visits till date total number of tests that performed body, Saudi is of real pasari. So test that it majority of tests that it is so height and body fat analysis, body composition test that so choose also we so temperature is a piece of pasari. SPO2 is a last only for perform to a chu tisena oxygen from sa test na kanita so BP test is a sorry kanita so diabetic care ka random blood sugar le HbA1c has two so na pa test ko pa so hemoglobin percent ka ento ni zaman ka thuma niya so nutrition plan the plan sa ko hi is also there for water the plan sa ko so cardiac care hi lipid profiles are but the ECGs and so cardiac perform to local so vision test hi snellen chart le color blindness mo the test na tsumi za so ka tito local so audiometry testing is a tool so the kwa tito so depression and anxiety assessment is a so patumpa tisakto pa so na bain Saudi is a sobre pasani ta test na tisakto ni sa so na demonstration during the nursing officer na tunte kan so
kan kita kan test song ka tilukan kan di kan peta son tan kan kan confirm kan peta kita son heta hian for the effect analysis ka kan test is ka aron pin swak ta ni
The Honorable Health Minister, the Vice Chairman of the SPC, the Superintendent of Medical Superintendent and our team, all members present here. I was told that I have to launch a new ATM, and that's why I come with empty pocket. Yeah, I thought that will draw some money out of here. So it's great that you have something here which you imagine doesn't have. And the credit should go to our dear Deputy Commissioner, the deceased brainchild. It's a kind of innovation which has been initiated by her. And according to the report we have received from the medical superintendent, thousands of patients, if I may call them patients, have been tested here free of cost. And the machinery and all the related expenditures were borne out of CSR, and it seems that we are expecting more CSR again for the improvement. I'm sure that this will be a harbinger for many, many more of this kind elsewhere in other hospitals too. This is the good initiative we have taken here in Lunglei, and I hope that this kind of machine will be set up in, if possible, in all the government civil hospitals that will benefit many, many more people. And I think you will get more and more people coming here because the awareness is going to be more and more. And it has been inaugurated by the Honorable Minister somewhere last year, I think.
So in August. In August 20
In
last year.
August, so not even a year has gone. So I think the awareness among the public is higher and higher now. Yeah, so it will be getting more and more people. This is a brainchild of the Deputy Commissioner, and it's a good idea. We have some few diseases. So the one in Champai and the one in Saito, they are really doing something. They are having some innovations. And one thing which I could not be very sure about is about DC and her husband. When I met her husband in Natia, he said that he never go to Lunglei. She always come to him. And what I learned from her today is other ways. Okay, alors mon propre m'a été un call, non, I got so paid DC can have made. We put down the early detection on the Nani Mansoy, the Mawson, a result, a printed form of Alma and what's a look, Alma, at the camp. Okay, Trump and I know test data. thì khá ní hay ví dụ cần là phê lộ cho một nơi là cần lụt phê đi khá bị mà early detection on hay là chỗ râm sát được mấy là cho đó bằng mấy thì là có thể là tất cả nó mà thì là luôn để đặt đấy các thì thấy mấy bác sĩ các khó cái này mấy là luôn cái ngay để bác sĩ thì lại về làm việc của chúng ta trong đó mấy à rồi trong không mấy hay chút là health minister có cái mà là trong trong giới mình cái này cũng đã là sẽ chỉ có cái bộ này về cái đồ nhà alors cái tiền ra ngay cho nó cho cái sự
Lunglei Civil Hospital Serkawn kan chuaka electric veng Lunglei kan pan le ta heta hian astronomy lab tia chu kan to le zok don ani ka soi tong khan astronomy lab po hi pi naf need man Lunglei DC in CSR atanga asoi chu tho ani china khan ka soi to in ka share health ATM hi Lunglei ale lungsena DC malak na in CSR atangin DC kan fak lo thei lova chuti ro chuan kan health minister pilarin pui kha poi mo em ma ani thazak noya sel malak ani a health ATM Lunglei ale lungsena oma astronomy lab hi school lamada ani ve thunga hei chu Lunglei electric venga Leitlangpui High School te lungsena te tlabunga te om ve thungani
Official photograph.
alo la theng lo Kawan trabe
ni kum to
kalau kau isi kau sudah
science student
Yes, I was a science student. Welcome, sir, once again.
Suna John Sum, kita panggil sebab karena full moon hey stars juga harus ini inverted ini lama haju lang wake at end dong mau roju Anggil le akar le
astronomy lab hi uluk de was tham mane ba se kan hoi thuak ringota chief minister chevel chala ka ngaya anti ti thla ka ngai box sia uluk dewa han soya han so chu cha kum ge mai mizoram a hetiang hi a pakhat na ani a kan soi tong khan Lunglei district a hian Lunglei DC hian pathum CSR tangina soi chuka education department na tang kapin hi tina Lunglei lungsen tlabunga tikha khi lai room khi chief minister lo na kha laboratory Lunglei cosmic class tin ziak thunga chena min thil dana ka chen astronomy lab anti ve thunga alo chuaka he thok tu ten helai hian thalak pui antuma chuang so lai son high school zelai no pangten refreshment min lo sema Isot to em. Kalena tu so.
Ang lapat wala ka telawin. Ka tel velya. Han. Piding lo guru.
Ngoro apa katan tele.
High school. High school ho kale.
High school. Rumen the poor men the rumen.
High school and higher secondary kan janam.
Salam masuk.
Yeah.
Cosmic classroom lang kyan o.
Himalayan.
Local role high school ho. Jadi macam cuma ding beula, ya tapi big
Kan bidang ho ka juice kan lo pe. Bidang kan lo pe tu.
Kan ấy mía mía mấy.
Sat sila.
Dai lam dar nga ania Leitlangpui High School atang khan kei kachua ka zanin hi zanria naktu ka LMC office tuk chuan eya income hona te nei tur tiania ma se asan patakin formal program a omto lemlova chawang chuan chief minister nena kalova zan ho mai te ang ke hi naktuk lama ti tu chul te kanei dewe katia en lo ba hola ne mai la min tia ni hi pathatak mai hinia min rem ti saka kan ho sananga anni an ria kanga naktuk lama hadamin lo kir ve thung don ani tu chuan chhevel video kan du tok don na yanga chief minister chhevel video min thil saktu ta chunga lom thu ka soinon le a silver play button kha min erpui sham ra u kati kha kan state chief minister in silver play button adon hi aphu veni tuna hian subscriber mi singrian le zatni zathum vel anei meka mi sing ni tha vel in subscribe le chuan silver play button hi dong to don ani chu kan thak lel pui ve dewa thanem ngai thu kan soile ni chu mang tha phot ule